Hey everybody, my name is Jessica Hamilton and I'm with Wayne County 4-H and we're going to make some paper helicopters. So all you need is some scissors, a paper clip, and this diagram. So you'll draw a square on a piece of paper, you'll cut almost halfway but not quite halfway, and then you'll cut in maybe an inch on both sides. The dotted lines aren't necessary, this is just telling you where to fold, and we'll go over that soon. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut the rectangle out. Only cut on the solid lines. So you're going to cut your rectangle out. And you may be wondering, why should I make a paper helicopter? And it is because you're going to learn about air and how air affects things that are in the air. So when we throw the helicopter, you'll be able to see the type of pressure that the air is in, that the air puts on things in our world. So we have our helicopter cut out. So now again, you're going to cut on these lines that we've drawn here. So now we have, these will be your helicopter blades. And then we'll cut here, just like that. And we'll cut here. And this is going to be the helicopter body. So what you'll do is you will fold back. These are what the dotted lines are for. You'll fold here. And then you'll fold here, just like this, and then you'll fold this back, and paper clip the bottom. So this is the body of your helicopter, and you see how it's thick, and you have it held back. So this is acting as your weight, so that it will pull it down through the air. Next, you're just going to slightly bend your blades so that they go in each direction, because you've never seen a helicopter have blades that are straight, so they'll be kind of catty-corner from each other. So fold one direction and the other direction, and I just fold them slightly so they still kind of stick up, not bend completely down, and then you'll throw it up and watch it fall. And you're done.